Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, finally the RBI Grade B notification is out in the newspapers today. The one on your screen is actually the screenshot from the newspaper that you can see. So let's discuss some of the important things that are mentioned in these advertisement, right, for recruitment. The first one is the number of vacancies. So the number of vacancies mentioned here are 222 for RBI Grade B, right? 222 अच्छी vacancies हैं. 200 से ज़्यादा मैं मानता हूँ हमेशा जो भी वैकेंसीज आती हैं वो काफ़ी अच्छा नंबर है. देन इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स की बात करें, फेज वन इज गोइंग टू बी हेल्ड ऑन जुलाई 9 एंड फेज टू इज टू बी हेल्ड ऑन जुलाई 30. हेयर ऑल्सो आई थिंक the two things that you must notice, that first of all they are giving you a lot of time, right now you have April, so you have almost like 80 days, right? Earlier it was like between 45 to 60 days. Now they're giving you 80 days, right, from the moment you know that the exam is on July 9. So that's a lot of time, right? I think now you should not have any doubts in your mind. You should just prepare and crack this dream job. But another thing to be noted down here is that uh, the time between phase 1 and phase 2 is little less. That's around 20 days. Earlier it used to be 25 to 30 days. So here I think you would have to make sure that you cover some part of phase 2 before, right, phase 1 is set. So these are the important dates and the number of vacancies for RBI Grade B DR. Apart from that, for vacancies for Department of Economic and Policy Research, that is DEPR and DSIM, have also come, 38 and 31 respectively, and their phase 1 is on July 16 and phase 2 is in September, right? For DEPR and for DSIM it is on August 19. So these are the important dates and the number of vacancies. Apart from that, when will you get the detailed notification? So right, we all know that as per process, first the notification is published in the newspaper and then the detailed notification comes on website after a week generally, but this time they mentioned that this will come on the website on May 9, right? Website link open for registration and payment of fees, intimation charges May 9 to June 9. These are the dates for filling your form. And here they have also mentioned that for all other things like selection, submission of online application, right, eligibility criteria, please refer to the detailed advertisement to be published on the bank's website on May 9. So May 9 you will get the detailed notification on the website, and from May 9 to June 9 the form filling has to happen. So please note down all these important dates, important information, right? I think now it's time for you to pull up your socks and now just gear up. There is no better time to prepare for RBI Grade B now. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Jai Hind.